The Ford Edge, redesigned in 2015 and available with the powerful and much-loved 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, as the Edge Sport, has been one of those great packages that has gotten less attention than it probably deserves. The 2019 Edge Street seems to be a calculated move to get the Edge back on people's radars, and that it very much has. The street badging caught a lot of folks in the industry off guard, being associated with hoonigan-grade hot hatches, and particularly because we were hungry for something small and fun to replace the lame duck Fiesta Street. So it's safe to say the Edge Street was a surprise. Good on Ford for that, since real surprises are rare these days. And good on Ford for taking a chance. We've driven the closest thing to the street, the aforementioned Edge Sport, and we can extrapolate a bit about what we think the street will be all about. For one, the 2.7 EcoBoost is an excellent engine. We've sampled it in basically everything the company puts it in, including the super sleeper Ford Fusion Sport that packs 325 horsepower into a very understated package. We're starting to think of it a bit like a small block V8, becoming the source of ample power in a compact package for part of the lineup, and little brother to the even more versatile 3.5-liter. And in the Edge Sport, it provided 315 horsepower. Now, don't get us wrong. The 2015 Plus Edge is a bit portly to be considered sporty in an absolute sense, coming in at about 4,400 pounds. But it provided ample reserve power for slingshotting around traffic and merging, and that power was particularly noticeable on the freeway.